Hello, hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and I have a flash class ready to share with you, and you have 1 week. That's why it's called the flash class, to register for this class. It is featuring Fern and Flora bundle along with some specialty papers. So I'm featuring, and you get included in your kit, half a pack of these natural hues. They have a lovely heavy texture, almost like it has fibers in it. And then I have a pack of the irresistible designs, and you can add ink to these or not. And this is the bundle I'm featuring. You're going to make 2 each of 4 cards. You're also going to get this shaded spruce ribbon and these gold flower gems to go with it. Let me show you the cards, and you will see that we're featuring the lovely Fern and Flora. Now, this one you're stamping directly on that textured paper. Here you're adding some ink to the irresistible designs. Now, these dies are all done for you. And so I'm featuring some of the new end colors: Golden Glow, Peaceful Pine, and Crisp Cantaloupe. And this one is actually featuring some of our two-tone cardstock. So you're going to make 2 each of 4 designs. You do almost always with my classes, you're going to get at least 1 fun fold. So everything will be included for you, all of your die cuts and all of your card kits. And this does include first class shipping, everything ready to go. You will need stamps and ink. And this is $40, includes shipping. I hope that you will consider taking my class that helps you reach beyond designer series paper and use your bundle in more ways, getting even more creative with it. My Card Club members, we just finished using this, or actually Card Club is shipping out even as I speak, or we're still bundling up our packets. But this is the stamp set or the bundle that I featured for Candy's Card Club for June. So this is kind of an expansion pack, but this is open to anybody, whether you're a part of my Card Club or not. Thanks so much for your consideration. Take care, and God bless.